That feeling of irritation when you're forced to grow a small account to go or know this. Do you know it well? If you have applied countless strategies without seeing true results. This video will reveal the game change approach that helped me break through and can do the same for you. There's a special surprise waiting for you. Watch till the end of the video to see something amazing. Guys, we need to select the chart right now. We're gonna use classic candles, time frame 30 seconds. And we're gonna use only 3 indicators on this time. Aroon, Ichimoku Aroon Awesome Oscillator. Okay? So let's start with Ichimoku. Click on that. We're gonna use 8 on Taken Sen 2060. Kinjun Sen and Taken Span B. Style, we're gonna unselect that option and we're gonna use only span B and span A. 2 on thickness, yellow and orange. Aroon, we're gonna use 30 periods, yellow and orange as well. Don't forget to K2 on thickness, that's very important. Click on save. Awesome Oscillator, 10 on period short and 28 on period long. The style is the same, yellow and orange. Now, guys, I'm going to ask some installation indicator. I change this, alright, and that's sort of all settings you need to start. Okay, let's go with that, our first one. I opening my first trade for the maximum amount, that is $18. I set a time for the trade for 3 minutes, guys, and open trade for sell using sell button, the red button. And to do this, I press red button. It may seem complicated to you, but in fact, this strategy works as simple as possible. So let's start doing the analysis. The first step is to find the moment when the candles break the Ichimoku channel. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So we need to see that Ichimoku channel when we have this broken as with this red candles or green candles. For example, right here, look at this here. The price has been falling for several minutes and see how 3 red candles have gone beyond the limit for these 2. Then I check the arrow and see the yellow line crossing the orange one about 1 minute ago. Okay, just happened. And that was we need. The third step is to check the histogram for Awesome Oscillator. Guys, I see that each new candle opened below the previous one, and this is the last detail that is needed to open trade. All 3 indicators give a sell signal in that one point. I see it at the every beginning. I check every detail and 30 seconds later I open my first trade. It's the classical instruction on how you should analyze the position, and I show you everything step by step. Okay, the time for my first trade is 3 minutes, and this is a good combination to start with. If your time frame is 30 seconds, open trades for 3 minutes, as we are here. If your time frame is 3 minutes, you can open trade for 15 or 20 minutes. I think you understood the logic. Also, don't forget that every situation could go against you and be unprofitable. And later, I will tell you what to do if this happens. Let's wait for that. And trade has closed right here, guys, right now, and I see that there's already almost $35 in my account. I plan to increase this amount at least 3 times, and I'm already looking for a new currency. Let's go. Okay, there we have another trade in sell boot again, guys. I do everything code to the same instructions, but up here, right here, down here, friends, look at it, all indicators. I hope you understand the logic. And so if a trade isn't profitable, it does not mean that a strategy is bad or a bad trader. In every losing 3, there is 1 or 2 of bad luck and half of a mistake. And it's possible. And it's important to understand why that's happening. For example, when you use this strategy, I recommend always looking at the chart of the currency for the last 2 or 3 hours ago. If you see that every time the candles break through the channel, they give a good signal, then there is a better chance to do the analysis correctly and make profits. Our currency pair is 7 or 18% success. That's right. So I want you to take a screenshot of my position right now and just look for something similar. Okay, just do it. At first, the easiest way as repetition. So try it. It's like we are doing on these moments, making screenshots. Okay, look at that. I made almost $60 net profit in 3 minutes, guys. Not bad, and moving on. Okay, guys, look at this. The broke channel, all right. The Aroon, the Awesome Oscillator, almost the same thing. If you just win this one, my balance will be for around $95. Okay, and guys, this is important to remember that is just one strategy that could revolutionize your journey in these markets. To reach professional level, mastering the most profitable strategies is a must, but don't stress. I've prepared 2 exclusive results that will be key to your success. Stay with me until the end of the video and look at that excellent results, and I'll open a few more trades and some of the results. I have almost $95 in my account right now. Just excellent results. And let's moving on and keep with that. Alright guys, look at that. So you can see everything was fine in this trade button. And I lost that amount. Yeah, friends, I took the risk because I want to show an example of a bad currency pair with an operation with delay. Look at the candles about 20 minutes ago. I see that every time the candles break the channel, something strange happens. It's definitely not stable, and it's definitely doesn't need to be used for work. Try to avoid it. This look a little better, but I was not best example. Okay, guys, I open in another chart for sell. If this is profitable, my balance will grow to almost $120. Does increase my capital than 41 trade session. Of course, it's a risk matter. Of course, I could have lost my dollar at the start and don't always trade so well. But I show you that with the right approach and instructions, you can make a lot of good trades and make profit. All you have to do this is a practice. Be more confident, get practice, and get more experience. Okay, and yeah guys, let's watch and wait for that. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Look at the guys, all the indicators is pointing us that is a good one. The broken channel, crossing line, the histogram, okay? Look at this, $125 guys. I think you can repeat this with more amounts, so try this strategy and write your opinion in your comments. It's very, very interesting to me. So react right now guys. I wish you good profits, good operations, and I see you soon in my YouTube channel. Bye bye, good day.